Hello everyone, my name is Joan Yusui Suzuki. 2020 has been a challenging year for people all over the world. The approaching holiday season brings hope for a brighter year of 2021. Today, I made the shochikubai arrangement for the beginning of the year Oshogatsu. Shochikubai is sho is also pronounced as matsu, pine, and chiku is also take and bamboo. Bai is also pronounced in Japanese as ume and plum. These shochikubai is a typical New Year arrangement we use for the not only New Year but any happy occasion. The sho matsu represent the longevity because it's evergreen, and bamboo is used in the straight up and down, but it's a very strong material. I always associate the winter scenery in Japan when we have a snowfall, or the bamboo at the bamboo forest. Bamboos are bending with the heavy snow, but they always bounce back. Bamboo inspires us to be strong. The third material is plum, ume, but flower comes around New Year and with nice fragrance and beautiful white, pure white flower. However, it is little too early for this season, so I'm using old branch of plum with the lichen, the koke, which I've been watering to keep it alive. I love the shape of the branch, and I incorporate it in this arrangement. Shochikubai. Besides those material, I have kosansumum and kale, which is habotan in Japanese. I'm adding the winter berry to add the color to the arrangement. And finally, I'm adding the mizuhiki, which is gold and silver cord, which we use for any happy occasions. I wish all of you a very happy, peaceful, and healthy New Year 2021. Thank you for watching.
everyone, my name is Yoshiko Williams. Today I like to share my holiday Ikebana arrangement for New Year's with you. I try to use a traditional material Japanese use, bamboo and then pine and some flower. So they traditionally they use a bamboo, pine, and plum blossom. But plum blossom is not really available, so I use different flowers. And also it's flowers available these days, so you can use any flowers, your favorite flowers. So bamboo. If you can get the fresh bamboo, that'd be great, green one. But then I didn't have it, so I have an old one, and then sprayed gold and then touch of silver. So and then also added. This is a fresh one, a very lacy, skinny bamboo, but it has a very nice lacy leaves, green fresh leaves. So I added to for the fresh touch, and then also pine. I had a friendly yard. Nice curve, and then so this is the pine branches, and then for the curve I also added the mizuhiki to kind of balance out this side, and then also this the bamboo. Mizuhiki is a paper cord, and then has a nice shape, and then special texture. This one is deep red and the green, shiny. And it's actually pretty nice. And also for the flowers today, I had a few camellia from my yard, and then also my favorite, the double delight rose. So this is my finished arrangement. Also mizuhiki, I think you have we have traditionally. This red and white, you might have seen before, and then so the special happy occasion, red and white, and also gold and silver. So that's very commonly used. So for the happy occasion. So this is to finish my arrangement, and then so. Hope you enjoy the holiday, and then stay healthy, and then thank you for watching.